Hello, my dear friend. So, again, welcome to our another daily vlog. Here I am, Sudesh from beautiful Basel, Switzerland. A guy from basically from India with some roots in the UK. So obviously, I have got other things to do in my life. I'm not a vlogger, so I decided not to edit the video. So I will be posting how I record the video. Okay. So today is Saturday. And I just came for a walk. Actually, I'm going to walk close by the river, but I will be finishing this video before I reach to the river. Look, very nice red bass. Look, I've never seen the red bass. I think it's not Swiss. It's a DB, which DB means it is from Germany. Yeah, because Germany, as you know, Germany is a very close country. It's not very long. Actually, even you can walk to Germany. Actually, yeah. So it's. So yeah, so I would like to tell you that if you like any natural video like this without any edits, just hit the subscribe button. Okay. So actually this is like a real video. This is actually right side, this is a famous park. Yeah, so we just keep walking. So I am in Basel, Switzerland, and here you can see other bus is coming. This is a specialty of Switzerland. Always you see many buses and the trams and everything everywhere. Switzerland is one of the best country in the world with the best transportation system. So it's so amazing. This is also here. Also, you can see here. See, so you also can see like this very special bicycles in Basel, because Basel is one of the main city with the bicycles. So I'm not going to take a very long. Oh, look, it's very nice when if there is a if there is the sun, it will be very nice looking actually. So yeah, this is also look. Oh, I think this is the same bus I just now I recorded here. This is a tram stop. You can see people are sitting and chatting. There you can see very special scooter is going. I think that's the e-scooter, and this is a very nice city. And here you can. This is like a. It's not like this is the best stop. No. I thought obviously this is a tram stop. I was thinking maybe it has got best stop as well, but it's not best stop actually. So my friend, we will be finishing our vlog soon. So if you like to see like these vlogs, please subscribe our channel. It's obviously it's summer, so that's why very nice views here everywhere you can see. It's a green. Actually, in India, it is summer. Oh, sorry, it's not summer. It was a mistake. It is spring actually. Actually, in India, you can see like it's so dry in India, but here in Switzerland, it's not really dry. But obviously, it's spring. But during summer, it might get maybe a little bit dry actually. Okay, my friend, I'm going to stop the video and keep smiling and keep shining. Bye bye.